ISO 45001 is the main standard looking after the occupational health and safety management system. And actually, the biggest challenge in health and safety is the definition. So risk assessment is the starting point, of course, after having the top management commitment, the resources, setting the overall policies and management system. But risk assessment is the main thing where based upon you will build the whole management system. And in the risk assessment, you have to know that the hazard, as per the standard, it means any source with the potential to cause injury or ill health. And this is very common definition. Everyone is in agreement with it. Now, what is the injury and ill health? This is very important now to understand. So the injury and ill health is any adverse effect on the physical, mental, or cognitive condition of a person. So it's not only the physical, all of us, we know the physical part. This is more focused, like any even safety management, HSE, it will focus 90% on the safety part, the physical safety part, the direct injuries. But very few who will focus on the mental part and even the cognitive part. So in the health and safety, for example, the supervisor may know that you are crossing the lines, and even sometimes he will push you to cross the lines, but he will not push you directly. He will try his best in order not to make any evidence against him. And believe it or not, I've participated in many accidents, fatalities, and the main cause of those fatalities was not because of poor, arrangements at the site. It was mainly because of the work pressure. So the company, they want to achieve their project within the time frame, and that's why they push all the people, all the workers, all the employees to do as much as they can. Even they can cross and cut corners in order to speed up the process and deliver the required result. And from this work pressure, a big accident will happen. People will lose their life. And as I told you, I've seen many fatalities because of this. Now, what is the main point of all the occupational health and safety management system? Is mainly to minimize those related risks to the minimum. There is no perfect solution, and there is no company will be able to implement the best at the beginning. But within time, they can build a business and improve it gradually in order to be able to ensure to a certain limit that they have a safe working environment. Of course, this safe working environment is a right for anyone working in the organization. And here we're not talking about the normal workers, even the vulnerable people, the pregnant ladies, the handicapped, all of them, they should be considered in the system. And one very important point also, the standard focuses on the emergency preparedness. So they push you to identify the potential scenarios could happen in your business. For example, road accident, falling from heights. They will tell you to identify the potential scenarios and set your response plan and exercise this response in order to make your people aware or capable of, even in case, la samahallah, accident happened, in order to minimize the damage could be resulted from this. Also, I've seen in one of the fatalities, the death happened because of the delay of the company to transfer the injured person from the work site to the hospital. If it was faster, he will survive. So this is again depends on what type of business you have, and higher risk it is, you should be more willing to implement this management system. And let me tell you, it's not about being certified. You can just have the standard on your own. You can analyze what you need from it, implement it, even without the need for having a certification. But protecting the life of people is the responsibility for all of us, and we should not take it very easy, because those people working with us, they have families, they have relatives, and their life, of course, matters. So work with us in order to improve the health and safety of your workplace. Thank you.